Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. This is our first video of 2019, so I want to say Happy New Year to you all. And to start off this year, I'm going to start off by clarifying my hair, and what that just means is I'm just going to strip my hair of all the yuckiness of 2018 and bring in fresh hair into 2019. In the past, I have used either Moroccan red clay, which is like Rhassoul clay, to clarify my hair, or I've used Bentonite clay, and I'm going to mix these two together because you all requested that I mix these two together to see how it will react in my hair. So when you're going to mix clays like this, you do want to use plastic utensils and glassware. You don't want to use any metals in here. So I've already taken about 1¼ cup of aloe vera, and I warmed it sitting in a hot bowl of water so that it could dissolve the clay easily. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 tablespoons of bentonite clay, and then we're going to take 3 tablespoons of the Rhassoul clay, and this is the Rhassoul clay. The benefits of all this clay is they helps detoxify your scalp, you know, for healthy hair growth, and they also help you if you have kind of dandruffs and flakes. So I'm just going to mix these clays together. The first liquid I will be adding will be my aloe vera juice, and this is for the moisture purpose. So just add that in there. Okay, I'm adding about 3/4, okay, to start off. So just 3/4 of it. Mix that in real good. You can add less if you don't want this to be very watery. Then I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of my apple cider vinegar in there. Next, my oils. I'm only using pure almond oil, and I like the shine the almond oil gives my hair and the softness. So I'm adding just 2 tablespoons of this oil. This is the consistency of my clay wash, and since it's a clay wash, it's very liquidy, and I will be transferring it into my applicator bottle. And I'm using my handy dandy funnel, smart funnel right here, so you can see no spilling at all, because that's why I love my smart funnel. So this can get very messy, so I will advise you to do it in the shower, but because I'm trying to do it out of the shower, that is why I'm coming on with a towel around myself. So I'm going to take it, and what you want to do is that you want to try to kind of wet your hair a little bit so as to help the clay to spread. You don't have to do this step, but sometimes I find it easier to just run some warm water on my hair so as to open up my cuticles, and then I'm going to apply the clay right on my scalp. So one thing I'm finding is I have to make sure my hair is really wet and saturated, but it feels so nice. It's not clumping as much as when I just add Rhassoul clay in it. When I just use Rhassoul clay, my hair clumps so much, guys, so much. But this is actually Rhassoul bentonite, and it doesn't clump as much, but it does feel really nice on my hair. My hair feels very soft. So this is what my hair looks after I've applied the clay. It's really nice. I mean, yeah, it's really nice. I do, as I said, I have some straight pieces. The fullness, it gives me a really nice fullness, like I got that fullness from the bentonite the last time I tried it. And this is the back. That's what that looks like. I don't have a mirror here, so I can't tell, but it feels really good on my hair. I'll come back and show you the result. So I tried what you guys said I should do. It took forever to rinse off the clay. The red clay, this red clay right here just kind of clumped into my hair, gave my hair that red color, which I loved. But rinsing it out, I used like 2 huge buckets of water. It still didn't get it out, and I had to go and take a clarifying shampoo and totally clarify my hair, this clarifying shampoo, which contains sulfate, to remove all the buildup from the clay. And I think what happened is, I don't know, maybe my hair just doesn't like, I mean, it likes the softness that the Bentonite and the Rhassoul gave it together, but I don't think it's worth all the effort of trying to remove it, because I think they just kind of stick like glue onto my hair. So I probably won't be trying mixing those two together. I'll probably use them separately, because even separately, when I use them separately, the red clay takes a while to rinse out, but the Bentonite clay rinses out very well. So my hair is not the result that I want, and you can actually even see that there's still some more clay in there. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go wash it out again. And I'm telling you, I will not be trying mixing the clays together, because not because it didn't work well, but because the effort of me cleaning my hair was just awful. So, but thank you guys for telling me to try this out. I did try it out, and 2019 is a year of me trying different things. But for now, I'm not gonna wash it again. I'm just gonna use the deep conditioner and then co-wash my hair probably in the next 2 days, or shampoo my hair in the next 2 days to just remove the buildup. So thank you for watching. If you've had similar experience like I have just had right now, please let me know. Comment below, let us know, and I hope to see you in another video. And please check out our Facebook group, where we give tips and support for your hair care, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.